Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the circuit on both the hot and neutral wires. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the handle. It's secured with 3 screws. Now I have access to the wiring. First, I'll remove the 2 wires from the cord. I'll note the location of each of these wires as I remove them. And now remove the 2 motor wires. Now I can install the new switch. I'll replace the motor wires first. Now I can connect the cord wires back onto the switch. I'll start with the black wire. And now the white wire. And I'll place the switch back into the housing. And make sure that all of the wires are tucked out of the way so they don't get pinched by the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cover. And that's how you can install a new switch on your power tool. We hope this video helped you with your repair. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And for more repair videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the button below.